Homemade Vintage Creole Pralines recipe, sweet delights with a touch of nostalgia. Hey everyone, welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we're taking a step back in time with a delightful recipe that's sure to transport you to the heart of Creole cuisine. We're making homemade vintage Creole pralines, a sweet treat with a touch of nostalgia. Stick around to the end for some interesting history and the benefits of indulging in these mouth-watering delights. But first, let's go through the ingredients you'll need for these delicious vintage Creole pralines. 1 cup of pecans, roughly chopped. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Half cup of evaporated milk. Half cup, 1 stick, of unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Preparation, method step 1, prep your ingredients. Start by prepping your ingredients. Chop the pecans roughly, measure out the sugars, and get the butter and evaporated milk ready. Step 2, combine sugars and milk. In a heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat, combine the granulated sugar, brown sugar, and evaporated milk. Step 3, bring to a boil, stir the mixture constantly until it comes to a boil. Once it does, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 4, add butter and pecans. Now, add in the butter and continue stirring until it's completely melted. Then, toss in the chopped pecans and mix well. Step 5, reach soft ball stage. Keep stirring the mixture over medium heat until it reaches the soft ball stage. To check this, drop a small amount into a cup of cold water. If it forms a soft ball, you're good to go. Step 6, add vanilla and salt. Once you've reached the soft ball stage, remove the mixture from heat and stir in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. This adds a depth of flavor to your pralines. Step 7, drop onto parchment paper. Now, working quickly, use a spoon to drop small rounds of the mixture onto parchment paper. Make sure to leave enough space between each praline. And there you have it, homemade vintage Creole pralines. Allow them to cool and firm up before indulging. Now, let's talk about the benefits of savoring these sweet treats. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Benefits: pecans are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, while the brown sugar provides a rich source of molasses, which is rich in minerals like iron and calcium. Moderation is key, but these pralines can be a delightful way to treat yourself. I hope you enjoyed this trip down memory lane with our vintage Creole pralines recipe. If you try it out, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe our Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much vintage Creole pralines lovers.